Blockchain Developer Roadmap, Zero to Job Ready. Why blockchain is trending. Used in finance, crypto, decentralized apps. What blockchain developers do. Build secure, decentralized systems. Step 1. Learn basics how blockchain works. Blocks, nodes, transactions. Step 2. Understand cryptography, hashing, digital signatures. Step 3. Learn programming, JavaScript, Python. Step 4. Learn smart contracts, write contracts using Solidity. Step 5. Learn platform, work on Ethereum. Step 6. Build projects, token system, voting app, centralized application, DApp. Step 7. Understand security, smart contract vulnerabilities, secure coding practices. What companies expect. Blockchain fundamentals, smart contract skills, real projects, common mistakes, skipping basics, ignoring security only, learning theory. The TIMELINE 5 to 8 months with strong practice. Career path: blockchain developer, right pointing arrow; smart contract engineer, right pointing arrow; blockchain architect. The final take: blockchain is about trust. Code replaces intermediaries. Link rocket.